Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive vlogging channel. So in this video I will be discussing about the two features of this Amazfit GTS 3 which can be the most important feature of this watch. This watch can save your life at the time of travel with one of the features, and other features can give you the body mass index, by which you will be knowing how much overweight or underweight you are at a point of the time. So I will be discussing about these two features and how this can be useful and how to get these features in this watch. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, this watch can give you the body mass index at any given point of time. So as you can see, the BMI app is there in this watch, and if you click on that, you will be getting the body mass index, which is showing normal here. So to get the body mass index, what you need to do is go to the menu and click on the body mass index app, and in the down there will be an icon. If I click on there, you can set your age, how much is your weight and how much your height, and after you set everything correctly here, it will calculate the body mass index as per the metrics which are defined here. Once I have selected my information correctly, the height and the weight, if I click on the stick sign, you will be seeing the body mass index of yours, which will give you whether this is the normal body mass index or whether you need to exercise more. And if you are underweight, you need to be getting in a diet to get the proper body mass index in there. So this is a really important feature. So how to get this feature is, you need to download the Zepp app from the Play Store, which is the official app for the Amazfit watches. And once you have downloaded, you need to connect the Zepp app with your watch. Once you have connected your watch, you need to go to the Amazfit GTS 3 here, and here you will be getting the App Store, which is the App Store specially designed for the Amazfit GTS 3 series watches. So here you have to install an app, which is the BMI app. So this is the app which I have installed. So once you have installed it, you will be getting it in the menu of the watch, and once you have got the app, you can go to the BMI app and get your body mass index anywhere, anytime, by calculating in this watch itself. So this is the feature which I was talking about. And the second feature which can save your life is the SOS feature which comes with this watch. So this is a very important feature, and you will be getting this in your watch also, which is the Amazfit GTS 3. So once you go to the menu, you will be getting this feature of Sos Flashlight. You need to just click on there, and you will see that a flashing light will be coming on the screen of Amazfit GTS 3, which will indicate that you are in travel. So in the times of travel, if you click on this SOS Flashlight and just show anywhere, people will be getting to know that someone is there and you are in a big travel. This will be getting other people to know that you are in a problem and you need help. So this SOS Flashlight feature can be a lifesaver, and this feature you will be getting also in the Zepp app itself. If you come to the App Store, you will be getting the feature of Sos Flashlight, which can be an important feature. So this is the Sos Flashlight feature, and it is written here that when you open the app and wait for 1 second, the screen will automatically flash a white light. During the process, the brightness of the watch will be adjusted to the brightest. So this is the app which you need to download for Amazfit GTS 3, and once you will be installing this app, you will be getting this in the menu of the watch, and after you click this, you will be getting this really life-saving feature on this Amazfit GTS 3. So that's it for now guys. I just wanted to discuss about these two important features which comes with this Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. You can get these features by installing the apps which are available in the Zepp app, and very important features these are for your Amazfit GTS 3. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.